Namaste everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are healthy and taking care of yourself. So let's proceed with our block 5, My Country. Before moving further, let's recall what we have learned so far. So we have learned that our country's name is India. India is an Asian continent. India has the Himalayas in its north, the Bay of Bengal in the east, the Indian Ocean in the south, and the Arabian Sea in the west. We have learned the names of India's neighboring countries, and also we have learned that India has 28 states. India has 8 union territories, capitals of states and union territories, and Delhi is the national capital territory of India. Look at this picture carefully. You must have seen this picture on our school's almanac. It describes something about our school. It is a symbol of our school. Whenever we see this symbol, it reminds us of our school, right? Like that, there are some symbols which helps us to recognize our country. So children, today we will learn about our national symbols. These symbols are special to our country. That is why they are called our national symbols. नेशनल सिंबल्स हमारी कंट्री की पहचान होती है, इसलिए हम उसे नेशनल सिंबल्स कहते हैं. एंड ईच सिंबल हैज़ अ मीनिंग. हर एक सिंबल का अपना एक मीनिंग होता है. सो लेट्स लर्न सम फैक्ट्स अबाउट आवर नेशनल सिंबल्स. दिस इज़ आवर फर्स्ट सिंबल, आवर नेशनल फ्लैग. We also call it Tiranga, means tricolor, तीन रंग का. The national flag has 3 bands of colors. At the top, it has orange or saffron color, in middle, white color, and at the bottom, green color. And in the center, there is a dark blue wheel which has 24 spokes in it. Do you know? Each color has its own significance. हर एक कलर की अपनी कुछ क्वालिटी होती है. Like saffron color stands for courage and sacrifice. White color stands for truth and peace. And green color stands for fertility and success. And wheel in the center with 24 spokes signifies that we should use our 24 hours wisely. हमें अपने 24 hours wisely spend करने चाहिए. वन डे में 24 hours होते हैं. We have to spend it wisely. उन्हें waste नहीं करना चाहिए. And we should always respect our national flag. Next is our national emblem. You must have seen this symbol on some coins, rupees, or on your passport and on some stamp papers. The national emblem can be seen on government documents. So if you see this picture carefully, you will observe that it has 4 lines standing back to back on a wheel. This line stands for courage and confidence. करेज मीन्स ताकत एंड कॉन्फिडेंस मीन्स आत्मविश्वास. इन दोनों चीज़ों को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं ये लाइन्स. देन देर इज़ अ बुल, एन एलिफेंट, अ हॉर्स एंड अ लायन with wheels in between below the 4 lines. And they all stand on a lotus flower which shapes like a bell. Children, this national emblem of India was taken from a stone pillar in Sarnath in Uttar Pradesh and was made by Emperor Ashoka of India. ये सिंबल हमने सारनाथ के एक स्टोन पिलर से लिया है. सारनाथ उत्तर प्रदेश में है एंड इसे किसने बनवाया था? एम्परर अशोका. उस स्टोन पिलर को एम्परर अशोका ने बनवाया था. सो वी हैव टेकन दिस सिंबल this emblem from stone pillar in Sarnath. Next is national anthem. Children, you must aware about our national anthem, that is Jana Gana Mana. We all sing it on important occasions and during our school assemblies. And it was written by Rabindranath Tagore. इसे रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर ने लिखा था. And we sing it to show respect to our country. अपनी कंट्री को रिस्पेक्ट जब हम देते हैं उसे शो करने के लिए हम इसे गाते हैं. नेशनल सॉन्ग. So national song of India is Vande Mataram and it was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. National animal of India is the tiger and it stands for strength and courage. Tiger is a powerful animal now. That is why it stands for strength and courage. The national bird of India is the peacock and it stands for beauty and love. Isn't peacock a very beautiful bird? So it represents beauty and love. The national flower of India is the lotus. It stands for knowledge, a pure mind and heart. Mango is our national fruit and it is also known as king of fruits. Then the national tree of India is the banyan tree. Banyan tree are huge in size and are home to many birds and insects. banyan tree बहुत big होता है और वो बहुत सारे birds और insects को shelter देता है, उन्हें protect करता है. That is why we have chosen it as our national tree. I hope this much is clear to you. Let's quickly recall what we have learned in this video. So in this video, we recognized our country with some special symbols which are called national symbols. We learn about national flag, national emblem, national anthem, national song, national bird, animal, flower, fruit and tree. We also learned that each symbol has a meaning and it signifies something. Children, our national symbols are chosen from things that are special to India. With this note, we have finished with this block 5, My Country, and I want you to see this video once more and learn what each symbol stands for. Enjoy learning. Stay healthy, stay safe.